Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your subscription and the app version so signals match live feeds. Once done, enable notifications, location, and background refresh so updates arrive instantly. Next, link your Exchange API keys and set a conservative base position size. This prevents oversized entries. You will see the first live signal within minutes. Make sure your phone is on a stable network. If not, toggle airplane mode quickly and reconnect to refresh the feed. You now move into execution. Read signal strength, time frame, and confidence percentage, because that informs entry aggressiveness. Once comfortable, use one-click execution for speed or place a manual limit/market order with the preset stop loss and take profit. While trades run, monitor the app's volatility metric to adjust position sizing in real time. If a signal updates, act quickly. Accept amended entries, or cancel and re-enter according to your risk rules. To finish, close positions using the app's close button, your Exchange dashboard, or let the automatic take profit or stop loss execute. After closing, review the trade log, profit and loss, and strategy tags to learn why the signal worked or failed. This builds pattern recognition. If things go wrong, troubleshoot common issues. Re-authenticate API keys, clear the app cache, and force a sync. You should also check for low battery or restricted background data, because those often block live updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.